And the prophets are back, and the law it is back, and my crazy is black, and my God he is black, and the angels are black, and you gotta stay focused and do not depart, stay right on the track. Revelation chapter 7 verse 4. And I heard the number of them which were sealed, and there was sealed 144,000 of all the tribes of the children of Israel.
Actually, I'm gonna be painting it black, so I actually dropped it, so I kind of had no choice. But yeah, I'm gonna get y'all the finished look of it using the Reassembly. Yeah, Reassembly 2X. I was gonna use this. I should have enough to paint the hood on the dark. I'm not gonna give y'all the whole video on the painting. You can watch somebody else's video. It's a process because you gotta put the Reassembly paint on there. The matte looks clean, but it won't really want to match the car as well. So I chose to paint it to black. So let me know what y'all think. Like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. So you need a T5. My bad, a T15 start bit. You don't have to do this stuff first, but I'm going to remove it so I can just be an easy install. But remove the trunk door handle first. So you gotta take the two corner pieces out. This one and this one. I just use a flathead. I don't use that special tool that they have. I always just use a flathead. It works for me. Put these on first before you lay down. Put these on first before you lay down the spoiler. pretty good in the car. It's your brother Joe Size. I'm signing out. Like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. Make sure y'all leave a comment, man. I need some uploading a lot of content for y'all guys, brother. But yeah, like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. It's your brother Joe Size, and I'm out.